How to log in Compass Bank online payroll account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Launch a preferred browser and search for Compass Bank Login and give it a search. Select the official website of your Compass Bank and make sure that it is from the official web page and not a faulty one. Wait until the website loads completely. In your right hand side, you will see the option to enter your credentials. To log in, all you need to do is enter your credential, that is your username and your password associated with the Compass Bank account, then tap on Sign In. If you are facing any of the trouble, just select the option of having trouble logging in. Just select on the option and you'll be redirected to this new page. Upon entering your username or your email address, you'll be sent a link to retrieve your password or just log in without your credential. And that is how you'll be able to log into your Compass Bank online payroll account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.